9 lives. Embu Governor Martin Wambora has survived yet again. The Supreme Court this morning upheld his election.
In its ruling, the court said there is no basis to interfere with the decision of the Court of Appeal, which validated his election in August last year.
Now, the Supreme Court also upheld the election of Nyamira Governor John Nyangarama and Kabuchai MP James Lusweti. KTN's senior reporter Rita Tinina tells us more.
He has been christened the governor with 9 lives after surviving several impeachment attempts in his first term and an election petition at the appellate court. Wednesday saw another win for Embu Governor Martin Wambora.
We see no basis upon which to interfere with the appellate court's decision. It follows that this appeal must be dismissed.
Wambora's re-election as Embu governor was challenged by his main opponent, former Embu Senator Lenny Kivuti, a man he beat with only 985 votes after garnering 97,760 votes against Lenny Kivuti's 96,775 votes. The Embu court in February 2018 nullified Wambora's election, but the Court of Appeal overturned that decision in August last year, and now the highest court in the land has put the matter to rest.
We are very elated with the decision of the highest court in the land. The will of the people of Embu County has been upheld.
For Wambora, the decision of the Supreme Court opens another chapter.
And we shall be starting tracking our project from next week with speed to amend for the lost time.
As Wambora celebrates the ruling, 2 other leaders are breathing a sigh of relief. The Supreme Court upheld the election of Nyamira Governor John Nyangarama following a petition by Walter Nyambati.
We find that the petitioner has not properly invoked this court's jurisdiction. The judgment of the Court of Appeal dated 26th July 2018 is hereby upheld.
Kabuchai MP James Lusweti is also a happy man. His election was validated by the Supreme Court. The court overturned the decision of the Court of Appeal, which nullified his election and ordered fresh elections following a petition by his main challenger, Talena Bangi. Rita Tinina, KTN News.
Several polling stations.
Indeed, the proverbial 9 lives of a cat. Now, the High Court has awarded 45 million shillings in damages due to medical